Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw a ER diagram in Draw.io. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so there's a couple of different ways how to do this. So I'll first go through the first way. So what we need to do is open up Draw.io and then click on the Arranged tab on the top of the page here, and then click onto Insert, and then we want to go ahead and click on the template. Then from here where it says search, type in entity and then hit enter, and here it is here. So we can go ahead and click on that as a template and insert it. Then we can move this around to make it suit where we want it to be. And then on the right, this is highly customizable. We can change the font color, background color, border color, shadow, word wrap, formatted text. That's inside of style. We can change that's inside of text. Then in style, we can change that too, like so. Opacity, line, and also arrange. So we can go to front, to back, flip, align, distribute. Got different type of tables like that as well. So that's the first way. Now the next way is to do this manually. So on the left hand side, scroll down and we've got an entity relation tab here. So go ahead and click onto that. And then as you can see, we've got all this stuff we can add to it inside of here. So we can add this, move this around, and as before, it's highly customizable. On the right, we can change the text, font, lining, make it bold, and all that stuff. We can add lines in like so. We can move this over here, then add another box like so. So yeah, you can just really play around with this and customize it to how you want it to look